Now I'm stuck in my dog crate. I didn't even do nothing to her. Penny, get me out. I ain't playing with you. Honestly, see this dude? You see this girl? Penny, I'm right here. Penny. What's up? Yeah. She just locked me in here. At least I'm with all the plants. At least they're living. Dang it, now it's gonna mess up my shit. Is there a baby in here? Wait. I can't even put this in. Penny, can I come out? Well, at least I don't have to hear stuff. The only thing I got is my shoes, my taco. Wait, my taco. Crap. Ow. And the crate. Did I seriously just solve my problem? Actually, no, I think I made it worse. Look, I just made the problem worse. Sucks. But yeah, I'm stuck.